What is the best way to say no? I have another commitment. I know of someone who could help you. Not right now, but I can do it later. There is something important which needs my attention. I am not the best person for this job. I am not comfortable with that. Let me think about it. Can I get back to you? I wish I could, but not this time. I am sorry, I am busy. Sometimes no reply is also a form of reply.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and please do click on the bell icon to receive new video updates. Thank you for joining us.